Hey weep! Oh, look who's spending the weekend alone in the bedroom again. Ha, pathetic. Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Oh, don't mind me, I was, just talking to myself. So in my last video, I dubbed an anime using cutting-edge voice cloning technology. Brian, how unoriginal. Anyone can dub an anime by following the original dialogue. Oh, you want original ideas? Well, what if you just dub an anime and not follow the original dialogue? Wait, that line doesn't make much sense. So, to replace an anime character with a bot, we need to have a bot. God, I'm so smart. I mean, we need a bot that can understand human language and give out a response. Okay, so how do we find such a bot? Well, a bot like that can be found in Google, Alexa, Cortana, but we can't really use them because they're stupid and don't understand context. On top of that, we need to reprogram them to give out specific responses. Yada yada yada, this person is gonna consume my remaining 2 brain cells. This calls the need for a smarter bot that can grasp a context and produce a response with minimal human intervention. So right here, we have a program that, whoa Brian, why are you showing us this rainbow puke? Disgusting, get fucked. Okay, I get it, no one really gives a shit about a code, so I'm just gonna explain how it works so you can quickly finish this video and watch more anime, you disgusting degenerate. What you need to know is that the main component here is an auto-regressive natural language model, which means based on a pattern of behavior, it can predict what words come up next. Train it on thousands of web texts available on the internet, and we have this OP autocomplete AI. But not just any web text, links on Reddit with high upvotes effectively creating the perfect Reddit sheep. So, how do we use it? First, we build a pattern of behavior that we want, plug it into an AL, which will then poop out some text following the pattern. Here, let me show you a simple demonstration of its power. We use text input as task specification. In this example, we're gonna try to build a chatbot. So type in a set of behavior that we want for the AI, then we build a pattern. So here, we are demonstrating to the AI what kind of response that we want. So if we ask a question to the AI, it will then answer our question. Nice. So, let's try another question. Aha! This is perfection. Exactly the answer that I want. And this is not just limited to chatbot. Remember, this is essentially a word predictor. This means if we just fit in a snippet of light novels, we will have ourselves a plot generator. We have a program that can automatically generate the plot, but to replace an anime character with a bot, we need some way to voice over the lines. Gee, I wonder how do we voice over the lines? Let's stop and think. Oh yeah, you can use the thing you used in your previous video. Do you know what we can use to voice over the lines? Yeah, I told you. God damn it, Friendly Explorer! Fantastico! We can use the voice cloning technology that we used to commit the atrocity that is the previous video. But what anime is sourced from light novels with free complete fan-translated versions available on the internet?
Good morning.
Good morning. God, seriously? Instead of lurking, you should have said something.
Sorry, I didn't want to interrupt your training. Oh. Ooh. Wow.
What are you doing? Go, get out of here!
It doesn't look like they are attacking. I guess I'll wait a little longer before I run.
What did you say?
I have to get to the top of the world tree as soon as I can.
Okay, what's the rush?
That's so you wouldn't get hurt.
What do you mean?
If I climb to the top, I'll be really strong. I can protect you.
What do we do? He's gonna run out of HP at some point. That's enough, Kirito! If we lose, it'll just mean a couple extra hours of flying! Let's give up while we can!
I have to protect you. Now, please, run. I will protect you.
Hey, that big ugly monster that was tearing everything up, was that you or an illusion?
It is hard to describe. It was like a part of me was replaced by artificial intelligence. The instincts of the salamander kicked in.
You might be better off working with the salamanders. If they can pull this off, it'll give them the power and resources they need to make an attempt at the World Tree. And since you're a Spriggan, they might hire you as a mercenary. So, If you wanted to kill me, you could. I wouldn't hold it against you.
It's impossible. I'm going to save the salamander leader from a monster. The salamander's strategy is to have their leader defeat the first floor boss, the Whale King, as a decoy. That's why they were hesitant to include me.
We'll withdraw for now, but I'm gonna be looking forward to fighting you again.
I'll be waiting. If you have the time, please come to the floating castle Aincrad.
I just got my heart broken!
Leafa, you were not strange, it's me who's strange. I'm sorry. Even though you were suffering, I can't do anything for you. I'll be here, though, so you can tell me if you want.
Kirito? Please, stop. You mean so much to me.
Leafa. I love you. I really love you. I have always thought of you, and have always been thinking of you. You are my only friend, and I only have you.
This is a fanfic. We're making fanfics now. Hello everyone, welcome to my Wattpad channel.
Tell me something, Kirigaya. Or should I call you Kirito instead? How did you manage to get all the way up here? I saw a strange program running, is that how?
You sure have some nerve for a pervert who kidnapped a child.
You little punk! You dare talk to me like that? Damn you! God damn you!
What happened with Asuna? Did you get her back?
Yeah. I got her back, we met up with Leafa and claimed, then went and beat up the bad guys.
No way. No way, is that...
That's right, this floating object. This is the World Tree, the center of the floating castle Aincrad.
How?
I don't know.
Why? Why, Brian? Why are you doing this? Why did you use the state-of-the-art OP technology for anime? Well, that's a good question. See, let's think about it this way. People watch anime because they enjoy it. And as we all know, enjoyment brings happiness. Happiness cures depression. So in other words, anime cures depression. And what does curing depression mean? Well, curing depression means saving humanity. And who holds the responsibility of saving humanity? That's right, so you could say that I am here doing God's work of bringing salvation. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that I'll be using my boy Borito to reply to the top 5 comments at the end of the week. So make sure to leave your comments, and if you like this video and would like to see more like it, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.